Central tendency, mean, median, mode. Central tendency, a measure of central tendency is a summary statistics that has been drawn from the data set, which represents the central point of the data set. It is a single value that can be used to describe the data set by locating or identifying the central position in the data. These measures indicate where most of the values in the distributions of the data fall, and they are also called as the central locations of the distribution. It is a tendency to cluster around middle values. There are three major methods of central tendencies: mean, mode, median. Mean is, or average is one of the well-known methods of the calculations of the central tendency. It can be used by both continuous and discrete data sets. We have discussed both the data sets in the previous sections of the articles. Mean is equal to the sum of the data values divided by the size or the number of values in the data set. Population mean and sample mean. Okay, so population mean and sample mean mu. N is the number of items in the population. Number of items in the sample. N is the in the sample. Okay, and mean can be of different data type as well. Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is the average of numbers. A calculated central value for the set of number. Geometric mean. Geometric mean is a special type of average where we multiply the number together and then take the square root for two numbers, cube root for three numbers, etc. It gives us a way finding the between widely different values. It is useful when we want to compare things or values. Harmonic mean. It is the one of several kinds of averages, and in particular one of the Pythagorean means. It is appropriate for the situation when the average of rates is decided. Harmonic mean can be expressed as the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the given set of the observation. Arithmetic mean, harmonic mean, and a geometric mean. Median is the middle score for a set of data that has been arranged in order of magnitude. It is less affected by the outliers or the skewed data. It works fine for odd numbers for the data. For the even numbers of data, we add the middle two values and take their averages. Median. First, arrange the observation in the ascending order. If the number of observation n is odd, the median is the value at position n plus 1 by 2. If the number of observations is even, find the value at position n divided by 2. Find the value at position n plus 1 by 2. Find the average of two values to get the median. Mode. It is most frequent score in our data set. On the histogram, it represents the highest bar in the bar chart or histogram. It is sometimes considered as being the most popular option. It is used to categorical data when we want to know the most common category. Source of the most by 13, 9, 7, 1, 9, 2, 9 and 11. Mode is equal to 3. It is the problematic when we have continuous data, since we are not likely to have any value more frequently than other. Now the question arises when to use which method. So I am providing summary of the variables and the best practice centralizing methods to work with. Types of variables, best measure of central tendencies. Types of data, small and normal, nominal, best measures for the tendency mode. Large and the ordinal, median. Interval ratio not skewed, mean. Interval ratio skewed, median.